So welcome students. So in this question you're asked to find the interval where x by 1 plus mod x is differentiable. So now if you look at this function is made up of two functions, x and 1 plus mod x. So as you can see, both these functions are differentiable. So x is differentiable everywhere, 1 is differentiable everywhere, and mod x is differentiable everywhere except x is equal to 0. So the denominator function has problems of differentiation at x is equal to 0. At all other points it is differentiable. And numerator is always differentiable. And if at all there will be a problem for the differentiation of f of x, it has to happen at x is equal to 0. If at all there will be a problem, the problem will occur at x is equal to 0, not at any other point, because at all other points these two functions are nicely different. And 1 plus of mod x is never equal to 0, so denominator equal to 0 is also not a problem. So if there is a problem, the function differentiation problem might occur at x is equal to 0, hence we'll test the function at x is equal to 0. So f dash of 0 is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of h minus f of 0 by h. That's the first principle of differentiation. So now mod x is differently defined in the positive neighborhood and negative neighborhood. So I'll find the right differentiation and the left differentiation. If both are equal, then the function is differentiable. If both are not equal, the function is not differentiable. So limit h tends to 0 plus, f of h is h by, in the positive neighborhood of 0, mod x is same as x. So h by 1 plus h minus f of 0, if you put x is equal to 0, you're getting 0 by h. That is equal to limit h tends to 0 plus this h and this h gets cancelled, 1 by 1 plus h, that is equal to 1. And limit h tends to 0 minus h by, so in the negative neighborhood of 0, mod x becomes minus x. So this becomes 1 by 1 minus h minus 0 by h. H and h gets cancelled. That is equal to limit h tends to 0 minus 1 by 1 minus h. So again h tends to 0, 1 minus h tends to 1. So this is also equal to 1. Means the right differentiation is also equal to 1. Left differentiation is also equal to 1. Hence the function f of x is differentiable at 0. At all other points it's already differentiable. Hence it is differentiable on all real numbers, that is minus infinity to plus infinity.